It looks like it might rain a little bit or something on here. What are you doing in my front yard, you filthy fucking car? Huh. Wonder what I'm gonna have for supper up. What the hell are you doing in my house? I'm supposed to be here alone with the mama and the dingoes on vacation. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG, everybody. Hi, it's me, Fat Man Under the Hat. Went swimming for about an hour today. Got a little bit of sun, cleaned the pool. That vacuum, I didn't do a video of it. Man, that thing whips ass, folks. Highly recommended. The pool vacuum I did the putting together of video, god damn, that thing does a good job. It works great. So I swam around for about an hour after I got done cleaning the pool, which was about a half an hour. And by God, I'm down to 239. I was 242 this morning, 242. So I'm down to 239, swimming around, plowing the water and stuff. Anyways, today what I want to do for you, what the fuck is that? Is we're going to do some coconut shrimp. Fuck yeah, man. I feel like having coconut shrimp. So I went to Walmart and I bought some coconut shrimp. Or I bought some shrimp. Hang on. Yeah, I went to Walmart, bought some shrimp. Let's get on and have some goddamn fun and make us some coconut shrimps. Alright? Here we go. Here's what we're going to do right here. I got my cheat book right here. You're kind of in my way. There we go. We're going to do this just like that's zoomed out all the way, isn't it? I'm going to do this. You know what? I'm just going to put this cheat book back here behind me. There. Now maybe I could do this way. There we go. I did a little laundry yesterday. First, what the fuck was that? I got a fork. I don't know if I'm going to need it. I got a knife. I got a bowl with some regular white flour in it. I got another bowl with, well, nothing in it. I got, what the fuck? I even shit when I got a ponytail in my hair. And it's wet. I got 2 cups of coconut flakes. These are sweetened coconut flakes. BLG likes his sweet coconut on his shrimp. But you can get, if you can find it, you can get the unsweetened coconut. It works just as well. Okay, you got a fog machine. What I'm going to do for this batter here, batter swing, I need the measuring cup. Just give me a second. I need this measuring cup right now. Alright. What we're going to do here, half cup all-purpose flour into the batter bowl, batter swing. 1/2 of a cup. There you go. Half cup of that. I'm going to get this over here going while I'm sidetracked and not thinking straight. I'm going to turn that on. My deep fryer to 350 degrees. Okay, so I got that. I got a 1/2 cup of flour. And I want 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch! That's this little bitty pink bastard. 1/4 of a cup. Cornstarch. That's not quite 1/4 of a cup. There you go. This shit gets everywhere. Fun to monkey with, but damn, it gets all over the fucking place. Man, I don't know how many times I've gone to the store with the whole front of my fucking shirt coated in corn flour. Okay, so we got corn flour right there. 1/2 teaspoon. And I love this island. 1/2 teaspoon of, that's 1/4. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder right here. Clabber girl. Wonder what she clabbers about. Probably just like, well, you know, I don't know. Okay, there we go. A little bit, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We need 1 teaspoon of salt. That's right, chop. I'll just do 2 halves, if you will. 1/2. 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna chuck these out of my way. Try to keep you clean when you're cooking, baby. A lot more safe and fun that way. All right, what else do I need? third of a cup of sparkling cold water. I don't have sparkling cold club soda, sparkling cold water, but I do have chilled refrigerated water. Close enough. Third of a cup, baby. I'm gonna get a little bit more than that. Yes, I have the air conditioner on again. It's goddamn not hot, but it's like 98% humidity out there right now. I can't breathe in that shit anymore. Sweat just rolling off of me. That's part of what helped. So I'm gonna put enough in here basically to make a batter. That's what they're looking for. Throw these in here. Here, in fact, I'll just wash them up. Yeah, all right. Now I'm just going to, grab a spoon. Or a whisk. Do I want a whisk? No, I want a spoon. Make up your mind, BLG. These people can't wait all fucking day. Can you? I can't either. Alright, so I'm going to try to whip this up here into a batter. And just add a little bit of water at a time and I'll be right back. Alrighty folks, we have a nice batter here. See, a nice little batter there. Now you're ready to hang your wallpaper. Yes, you can use flour and water to make wallpaper paste. Okay, so we've got 1 pound of large shrimps right here. What I'm going to do with these here large shrimps, they've been peeled and deveined. I'm going to do a couple of little slices on the bottom like that. On the inside, you've seen that right in there. Then I'm going to make a slice down the back, right down the middle of the back where the vein was. Like this. Like that. I'm going to spread them out, spread out on his belly, which is actually his back. I'm just going to kind of mash him flat, just like that. See that? And he's going to go over here, out of the way. And we're just going to keep doing this. Take another one here, I'll show you. Do a little cut, like right up here, towards the top, just a little shallow. And one like right here, about halfway down. A little shallow cut. Right down his back, right in the center here. We're going to go about halfway through him. Not to the other cuts though, see. I'm going to do that. And a little practice. It took me some practice to figure this out. Mash this guy out flat. Kind of just gently, mush. Lay him out like a little fucking scorpion. And I'll be right back after I get these all flattened out. Alrighty folks, now comes the fun. The fun. You take these little buggers like this. And you put them in their first coat of the flour. And thusly, this gets really messy on you too. It really does. It's like, oh fuck. Like that. Shake off the excess. He goes in to the batter. Swing. Try to hold that tail. Maybe I can get a little bit of control. Get them all coated up in the batter. Swing. Thusly. Nicely coated. Get all this off of here. Now you want to spread them out. Back to the butterfly shape and put them down in that coconut like that. Spread out like that, see? And you want to get your fingers, it's going to get up in here all nasty. But you want to put them like this. Coconut that bitch up. Just like so. He comes out like that, send him over here. Boom! Pick up another one. Do the same fucking thing. Over and over. Until we get them all coated. We got them in the flour here. Little first spreading of flour. Into the batter swing. We want to kind of keep them spread. See, keep them butterflied. That's what we did to them earlier when we cut them. Put the little cuts and stuff and spread them out. Butterflied these little bad boys. Spread them out like this. A little bit of excess off. In to the coconut. This is where it sticks to you the most. The coconut really builds up on you. Just like that. Pick him up. Hand it down a little bit more. Pick him up. Shake him a touch. On to there. And I'll see you. I'll wash my finger. Yes, it's a messy process, but make up. Thanks, Righty. It's a messy process, but it's worth it. I'll see you back here. Hands on with BLG.
You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.